maunga. So at the moment, we're on top of a maunga.
Oh, mountain.
Yeah, good. Whanaunga. If we went to the zoo, I'd say the apes at the zoo look like your whanaunga.
My hair?
Say, oh, me and my cousin, we're...
Close?
Starts with R.
Related?
Yes. Or relative. Tudu. Right now, we're sitting on a...
Chair.
Bam. Easy. Niho. Every time I pick you up in the morning, I'll tell you, go wash your niho.
My anak.
Go brush your niho.
Oh, my hair.
Nah. What else do you brush? Or what else you should be brushing?
Oh, my teeth.
Oh, but by the sounds of this, you don't.
I do. My teeth are white.
Right, last one.
Yep.
Too meke. In a sentence, this video is too meke.
I don't know.
Too much.
Well, that was some good mahi. Tū meke, whānau. Stay tuned for more. Goodbye.